I am 𝗂𝗽𝗱. I am studying 9th standard. I am from 𝗳𝗏𝗺 𝗃𝗃 Mandal Chilpu district Jangam. Respected judges, dignitaries and my dear friends. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic that is the ill effects of drugs, the efforts made by the government to prevent them and our responsibilities. So let's we talk about the ill effects of drugs. Someone once said, drugs take you to hell disguised as heaven. Let's we talk about the ill effects of drugs. At first, drugs main scene gives happiness or relief, and they slowly destroyed everything: health, peace, and future. So physically, drugs damage our heart, liver, and lungs and brain. Mentally, they cause stress, depression, and anxiety. Emotionally, they break down relationships and families apart. Socially, they lead to crime, unemployment, and hopelessness. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, it is health that is the real wealth, not a piece of gold and silver. A drug is like slow poison. It destroys everything. So let's we talk about the government efforts. The government of India is working hard against drugs. The Narcotic Controls Bureau takes a strict action against drug production and smuggling of drugs. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Acts gives strong punishment and those who sell or use illegal drugs. Through these awareness programs and counseling programs to help people recover and start their new life. So let's we talk about our responsibilities. It is our duty as a responsible youth to stay away from drugs and encourage our friends to do the same. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, dreams transform into thoughts, thoughts results in action. Let us act to become the change the worlds of our nations. In conclusion, life is a gift. It's too beautiful. So today let's make pledge to stay away from drugs, to protect our friends and build a healthy and beautiful India. Thank you.